Have you ever gone into your Dyno dashboard and wanted to enable some of these modules, but you weren't sure exactly which ones were activated? Or maybe you went into your custom commands and tried to edit something, except you can't edit it, you have to remove and then re-add it. Well, Dyno sorted that out for you guys, because they have made available their new dashboard and it looks amazing. Look at that, it's got colors and everything. Not only does it have colors, but you can enable and disable and get instant feedback of what is enabled. If you look at the action log over here, you can click on action log and all of a sudden the action log is disabled. So if that doesn't highlight to you that you haven't enabled a module yet, well, I think you've got bigger problems than I can help you with. But the best feature ever. Well, actually there's multiple features, best features ever on this thing. If you go to the command section, you can now enable and disable your commands, but you can also specify which channels are allowed to execute those commands or not, and also which roles are allowed to execute that or which roles aren't allowed to. So not only are you now limited to only, as with your previous dashboard, only the auto mods or only your moderators can execute some of these commands. Now all of a sudden you can set up your server exactly the way you want. If you only want certain roles to be able to add roles, you can set that up. If you want to find out any additional help, just click on the help file and it'll tell you what permissions you need and what the role actually does and how to use it. It is absolutely amazing. Now, apart from some of the music queue lists that you can see over here, there's also another great feature, which is the server information feature, the server listing. And you can see over here that I have specified on my server listing the description, put your invitation URL, and again, if you don't know what, click on the question mark. They tell you exactly what to do. You can specify categories, so I've categorized mine as YouTube gaming, stream and community. I've tagged it as Yoken B, Discord, Dyno, Games, Twitch and Yoken. So any of these tags that get searched for, my server will pop up as well in that listing. I've got links to my YouTube, to my Twitter and to my Twitch. And all of these things gets populated into a preview. And this preview will ultimately be listed into their public servers section. Now, do bear in mind, more than 1 million servers are running Dyno in their servers. And this gives you the opportunity to tag your server. And if that tag pops up, you can see all the different servers of members, and then you can instantly join them. Now, when you get to your custom command section, this is absolute gold. You can now edit your command. I'm speechless. Just look at this. Custom commands. Oh, I can't edit this thing. I have to remove it. I have to add a command and retype everything. No. All you do now is you come to custom commands, press edit. You edit whatever you want to. And by the way, it gives you additional options. So if you want to delete the command afterwards, if you want to silence the command, you can just tick the tick boxes and they will execute that for you. You don't have to specify it in the parameters anymore, or your variables. But if you do want to use your variables to maximum effect, just click on the Show Advanced Variables tab over here, and they give you an entire list of variables that you can use in your custom commands to get information out. What's the user's ID? What is their avatar? Channel ID, channel name, mention, time, date, silence, delete. It goes into so much detail and gives you the capabilities of doing whatever you need to do for that command. Now, these editing features are not only for custom command. So even for your tags list, there's all my tags and you can edit your tags list straight off the bat. This is gold as well. Like, everything is gold. This entire thing should have been gold. I don't know why it's got a black background, because it should have been gold background. It is just amazing. Thank you so much, Dyno. This dashboard is available to everybody, and it is available if you go to https://dyno.gg. Dyno.gg. That is all you need. It'll pop you into here, and I will load up one of my servers that's not got premium just to show you. So Game On hasn't got premium. Pop that in there. And here's all the features for the Game On section. All the commands, I can can set the commands up, which roles. Oh, by the way, even on your moderation side of things, wait, no, not moderation. Hold on, automod. Is it? Yes. So on your automod, you can now specify that if a banned word populates, I want to delete it, and I want to warn the member, and I want to auto-mute the member. So you can customize every little aspect of your server with this feature. Now, some of the extra features that they added in here is the logs and the warnings as well. So any administrator that comes into your server that changes anything in the server itself will now be logged. So you will be able to see exactly who did what on your server, and any warnings that you've issued will actually populate over here. So if you haven't yet, go to dyno.gg, start using this dashboard. It will save you a ton of headache because it is everything you never knew you wanted. That is all I wanted to do for this video, guys. I just wanted to showcase the dyno.gg. Thanks again, Dyno, for making this and supporting us. You guys are absolutely wonderful. And thanks to all the community, guys. If you haven't yet, come join our Discord server. The link is in the description below. And press that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Come say hi, and thank you for watching. Yoken out.